Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and I wanted to come on real quick to share a little inspired project that I've been wanting to make ever since I saw Marilyn G and Cynthia from rnjetta shared their Adorn It recipe stamps for the month of July, I believe. So adorable. I had to try it out because I had just bought this paper pad from Prima and I wanted to use it on another project. And when I saw their projects, I was like, how perfect is this to use this again? Because I really need to use my stash. Okay, so I looked through my dies trying to find a milk carton die, but I could not find one. And I was like, dang it, I know I have something I can use for this project that doesn't require a die. So before I went on vacation, I was going through all my stuff. I have, gosh, I got to get rid of things. But anyway, I came across this box. Now, when Tuesday morning was the place to go to buy crafty items, I bought a lot of stuff for that because it was inexpensive. I didn't have to go to Recollections, I didn't have to, I had 3 in my area at the time and now they're all gone. It's so sad. I really truly miss them because look at this price. It was $1.99 from $10.99 or $9.99. I mean, oh my God, and you get 24 pieces in this box. Now, it comes flat, just like this. And I think, did it? Yeah, I think it came like this. And, it was in here flat. Okay, and you can put it together. It has all the strips, 3M strips even. And it's just really good quality stuff. So I used that. I used paper and I corner rounded it. I used some pink cardstock and I used this punch from Hobby Lobby because Michael's, well, I don't have an AC Moore anymore. Michael's, they don't carry a lot of punches anymore. And I wanted a corner rounder besides my We-R Memory Keeper corner rounder. And this one has 3 different sizes, not size, but of of corner rounding. Like this is an, I says R4 and this is an R7. I think this is maybe considered millimeters. I'm not sure. Or an R10. So they're different shape, or what do you call it? If you want it small, rounded, or bigger, or I think maybe this is like an 1/8 of an inch. This is probably 1/4 of an inch, and then this is 1/2 an inch. I'm just thinking. I'm not sure, but it works perfectly. I love it. And then I used this punch from my stash. This is also a Paper Studio punch. I used my Copics. I used Memento ink. I even used this, what do you call it? Tracing wheel. And I got that idea from Anna White. And she got me into using this. I'm starting to use it again. And then that's it. I think, oh, and I used this punch. It was on my desk. I used it. So here is my little milk carton. I think it turned out, and see how small the rounded edges are from this punch? It's really cute. It's cute for little things because the we are memory keepers, or what are they called now? We are memory, no, we are makers now. I can't keep track of everybody's changing their name. They will always be we are memory keepers. But anyway, I got distracted. Sorry. Um, so I used cut paper out and layered them on the box. I even put it on the bottom. I just love this Prima paper because it always looks distressed. I'm sorry. And then I colored this with my Copics. Isn't that adorable? I pop dotted on the carton. I added some ribbon. Now this ribbon is from Recollections. It was their pastel bundle that they had at one time, or they still have them. And I thought it worked well with this collection. And then I made a bow on the top here. I used these itty bitty clothespins because I didn't want to close it up. And you could put some chocolates or embellishments in there for a crafty friend. And once I may just leave that on there. Maybe they could reuse it. I don't know. But I just had to make me one of these containers, these little treat boxes. They're so adorable. I can think of many different other ways of using them. You can use them for Halloween. You could definitely use it for Christmas. You can use these for any season. I wish I kept the pink one. I think I bought a pink pack, but I don't know where I must have gave it away or something. I can't remember. I don't have it here. But yeah, that is my project for today. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.